everybody. As you know, my name is Zoe and I'm 7. Today we're going to be making chapstick. And what we have here is something to mix the lip balm. And then this is the coloring for the lip balm. And this is the scent. And this is the glitter. And these are the lip balm sticks. To start the lip balm, we have to melt the lip balm base. And you can do that in your microwave. So I'll be right back. Now that we have it melted, we can put our coloring in. Now that we poured it in, we're gonna stir it. Now we're gonna add the scent. And you're gonna have to add 6 drops, okay? Now I'm gonna stir it. It smells really good. Okay, so for the hardest part now is to pour it. And my dad's gonna get me a paper towel. Now I'm going to pour it in. Carefully. Smells good. All right, we're back. I was able to make 5 chapsticks. I'm gonna put this one on. I love the smell of it, so I'm gonna try it on now. It feels nice. So anybody who watches this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. And just a reminder, my name is Zoe.